Yo, June 9th, dishwasher vlog part 2. What's good?
Part 2.
It's a good day. I wasn't even supposed to work today, but I did. I helped the new dishwasher. Give me that. You already know what I'm coming out here for.
I was bringing good.
No?
Oh shit.
Well, depending on... Did you really just ask me that?
Yeah.
Depending on if Franklin gives me change when he comes... We got a torch.
I'll pay you back tomorrow.
Depending on if Franklin gives me change when he comes back, I'll give you the rest of the change.
I'll pay you back tomorrow. I just didn't go to work. I'm sleeping at night sometimes.
And you've
I
worked...
fucking sit up and work, and I get up. I'll
worked
wake
really
up and
hard.
I'll go in there and work.
And then there are days where you'll fucking stay up all night, work on the kitchen,
2 or 3
and
days.
then get up and then go to work, you know? Work on somebody's house, and it's like fucking crazy.
Hey, we talked to John, did I tell you? We might be going
But
back
yeah.
up to Evergreen.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, man.
That's fucking cool.
Backyard, Justin.
The backyard.
Way deep in the woods back there.
Why? Oh, what the fuck? What did you guys just decided to go trimming, Happy? That's cool.
Dorothy loves it. Dorothy loves it.
That's fucking cool. Like, yeah, man, that was not like that. That looked very good. I don't know if you guys can see all those, like, they were bunched up and everywhere. I'm glad Dorothy did that. That's pretty cool. Dorothy and Kenny are doing a lot of great stuff to this house, and it's like,
It's a wreck.
no.
So calm before the storm. There you go. Or a storm before.
Come on.
That looks great.
Looking good.
That looks really fucking awesome.
Hey,
With it.
It looks really great out back. Yep. So, you guys don't know. Well,
Damn.
yeah, none of you guys know. But I bought some cool shit today.
I knew it. I know. I knew.
Some real cool shit.
I seen it. I know.
You guys already know that I'm trying to have an old school gaming
I knew that.
system.
I knew that.
And I'm happy. What are you looking for, your ID?
Backpack. I knew that. And I knew ID. that you're looking for your
The
ID.
wallet is in the drawer.
I knew that.
Okay.
I know it. Sorry. I knew that.
So yeah, I'm getting this retro gaming system type thing going on. I already have a regular Xbox, Xbox 360, a regular PlayStation that I literally just bought.
I took a dab, you guys.
Yeah,
Did you say
Joey
you get
Salads.
10?
Joey
If there's
Salads
10
over
left?
here.
If there is 10 left, yeah.
There'd be more than that.
Hopefully.
Joey Salads.
That's why
take a
I
dab
wanted
over
my
here.
receipt.
Shut
Anyway,
the fuck up, Joey Salads.
Joey
take a dab.
Salads took fucking
The massive dab.
a massive dab. I just bought a PS1 and a Nintendo 64.
Joey Salads don't care.
So now I got a PS1, PS2, and a PS3. An Xbox, the original version, an Xbox 360. So that's 7 systems. Plus Nintendo 64. I'm like, got all these game systems. I'm so happy. Oh, God. Dino Crisis for the PlayStation. The original PlayStation. Like, you can't. It's a really great game. It's like Resident Evil, but with dinosaurs. Like, it's very scary and cool. Tomb Raider. A very great game. Tomb Raider 2. So original. Plus, Army Man 3D. You're fucking Army Man. Come on, how cool is that?
Fucking awesome. Take a bow. Take a bow.
Those are the games for my newly bought PlayStation.
Take a bow, bro.
And I got this game for my Nintendo 64. Are you guys ready? Super Mario. 64. Such a great game. I'm so glad I got these retro systems. So fucking glad. I'm gonna take a dab to this.
No, you're not.
Alright, I'm
He's
not.
not gonna take a dab, guys.
I'm not.
He's taking that back.
I'm taking Joey Salads as dabs.
My dabs. My dab. Fuck what you were saying.
I was all gonna fucking try to get my phone turned on and buy a bus pass, but you know, that didn't happen because I bought video games and dabs. But
That's how life is.
that is how life is. Dabs ahoy. Yeah. Can you torch for me? Oh. Where's that other big torch, or were you just using this one?
Just using that one.
Whatever. Well, here's a happy dabs for me because I don't know, I'm happy.
There you go.
Oh, I can't wait to hook up the fucking PlayStation. Yeah, I'm gonna hook it up right now.
Whoa! I want to play it first. Did you get 2 controllers? Or were you trash enough not to get 2 controllers again?
Got one controller, bitch.
Damn, you're shit. See, look. You do 2 players, co-player, ruin everything. Disappointing. So fucking up.
Hopefully there's a memory card up in this biatch. I gotta see. Playing Tomb Raider 2, people.
Clash of Clans. That's what I'm playing.
You're playing Clash. Memory card. Ah, that's what we need. This ain't like new age when you have it on your SD and shit like that. Ah, does it work? Nah, PS2 memory card doesn't work with a PS1.
Dumbass.
I'm a retard,
You're a
sorry.
dumbass.
Oh, fuck. How's this gonna work?
Oh, you never revealed. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry, dumbass. Bleep. You're bleep, bleep.
I got this.
Why don't you
Tomb
shut the
Raider,
bleep, bleep, bleep?
motherfucking 2.
Little bleep, bleep.
Dude.
What if the phones that did that, they could block out Chris and... That'd be a smartphone. A smarter phone. Look me up on YouTube, I'm Joey Salads.
Joey
That's me.
Salads.
It's me over here.
Hopefully this game works, man.
I'm giving no shout outs to Jesse, none. He needs to make it on his own. But
Nostalgia.
Go to me, no salads.
And Tomb Raider 2, guys. Tomb Raider 2. Tomb Raider 2, starring Lara Croft, was made in 1997, a year after I was born. I'm pressing X. Alright, Lara's home. Why does it say that? There we go. Fucking game says it was removed. Alright, Laura's home, controls, screen adjust sound. I want to go to Laura's home. Oh god. I want to lock my fucking butler in the fucking freezer.
Welcome back.
I'm the one with the big dollars.
Yes.
Joey Salas.
I am playing this great game.
Jump. Go do some fucking Uncharted shit. Can you climb?
Yes, I can climb.
Climb there. Okay, look at this blue rope. You gotta climb on the blue rope. You're supposed to be doing the course. What are you doing? Jump. X.
I am pressing X, sir.
Circle.
This is...
I can climb up this wall. Just walk up to it and hold down the action button. You can
Square.
then use the direction buttons to climb up,
Square.
down, and side to side.
Nigga, what up?
He's holding X.
What up? Oh, the X?
Yeah. Such an
Nigga.
old school game.
That's a joke. I like old school games.
Oh!
Oh.
This set of obstacles is easiest to traverse by using my sideways
Sucked.
jump. Just
You doing
press
it,
left
Trump?
and
Your
right at
butler
the
is
same
just
time as
fucking.
jump. I can jump backwards too.
But it's always following me.
Yeah, let me try one time.
How many points I use?
Try.
Seems to be none.
Oh,
Don't
I
say
wanna
that,
move
you
like
use
this.
points.
Uh-uh.
I wanna move like this. You could change this somehow.
All I was able to get.
Did I tell you guys I'm gonna die someday? Two? That's fine, okay.
Oh, and here's your bag.
Critical mass. Yes. Critical motherfucking mass. 79% THC, guys.
That's so stupid, man.
Because I'm running them all up right now.
Just that one.
Dude, this is so hard.
It is hard, but keep playing. I love this game. I remember.
So, did you have to play like this?
I remember. Yeah, of course you gotta play like that. I
Why
remember
you have to play with the analog stick?
because it's like
It's the oldest of old
Mhm.
school.
it's very old school.
This is fucking stupid.
No, it's not.
Ah, fuck this.
Just
I ain't
keep
playing
trying.
this dumb shit. There you go.
I
Yeah.
can climb up this wall.
Well, climb
Just
up
walk
it,
up to it and
bitch.
hold down the action button. You can then use the direction buttons to climb up,
That's stupid
down,
game.
and side to side.
You need to learn how to use analog stick.
It's a great game. I love how I have a PS1 on top of a PS4. A grandfather. Can I have the first drink? Alright. I'm sorry if I hit you hard. I didn't hit him hard. He's
Hit
just
me,
a
he's lucky.
This
Joey
set of
Salads.
obstacles is easiest to traverse by using my
See, it's
sideways
hard.
jump. Just
Lucky,
press left
guys.
or right at the same time as jump.
Oh my glove. Get that thumbnail action. Gotta get that thumbnail action. Yeah. Yeah.
No, don't take people's.
Critical mass, guys.
Here.
You taking a drink? Shit.
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I don't like that shit.
I'm
I
not
just need
promoting.
something.
I'm not promoting none of this drink that I'm drinking.
Monster. We're promoting it. Red Bull gives you wings.
Red Bull gives you
This nigga's about to fall off.
rhino.
Oh.
Oh shit!
Look at that
Dude,
crazy
he's
ass
fucking
off.
Laura
Ah,
You just gotta keep trying.
you
Easiest to
nigga.
shut by using my sideways jumps. Just press left or right
Oh,
at the
is that
same
my
time
new
as
wax?
jump. I can jump
You're
backwards
cool, bro.
too.
Critical mass, guys.
We're gonna dab it
Whoa!
right now.
I figured it out.
That's
How to
intense.
sideways jump.
We're gonna like smoke it all right now in like 20 minutes. We're gonna dab all this in 20 minutes. Joey salad, you guys.
No, we're not gonna dab all this in
Oh,
20 minutes.
what?
I'm sorry.
And side to side too.
Why isn't even recording?
Oh.
I think I know where it went. It went in.
It's probably
Oh, I
in
just
there.
caught
I
myself.
swear I seen it. It's like it's right there. I'm not gonna fuck with you. It's right there. Here, watch it. I saved the day, you guys.
He
Sit,
did
sit.
save the day.
Joey salads.
Look at these games,
I eat
guys.
them salads.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It went in there again.
No, it actually fell in the fucking heater. So, yeah, this vlog is paused. Okay. He found it. The great
Oh, you
Joey
fucking
Salads found it inside. Oh, fuck. Oh.
I almost made it all the way through it.
That's enough of showing that great critical mass, but
So beautiful once you run away.
yeah, it's so beautiful it wants to run away. You fucking found it, dude.
Yeah,
It was gross down there, dude. You're taking the first dab. Joey Salads is taking the first, because he found that piece.
I'll take a
Ah, oh, you heard? Ah.
She just got chopped.
I love Tomb Raider, man. It was just nostalgia.
Dude, sideways, it's right there. Boom.
No Kobe.
Just remember, just don't be afraid to do too late. Back up. Oh, yeah,
Ah,
so you don't even have to
great
run.
man.
You don't even have to run, though. You can just jump.
Yeah, because it's old school, you know?
Side. Ah!
You're fucking awesome, Frank.
Whoa, how the fuck did he do that? high
He just
jump?
jumped high and, yeah,
Fuck.
it was probably a little
I
shaky.
I ain't liking it.
Side jump,
That's
no?
something, Oh, that's the rest of the course. Oh, shit. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you're supposed to do that. Go. 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 Oh, shit. Oh, no, climb. Left. Oh, dang, you messed up. You're supposed to climb on that stuff. See that course part?
I didn't see it until now.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to warn you. Oh, look, the butler's fucking following you.
The butler always follows. That's why I want to go inside the mansion and lock the butler in the freezer. You could do it.
I think I start at the whole end.
No, I started here.
Wow. This game is great. Anyway, guys,
I can climb up.
it's like the 20-minute
Just
mark.
walk up to it and hold down the action button.
Now climb
I-
up this
You can
wall.
then use the
Hope you all had a
direction buttons to
great
climb up,
day.
down,
This was
and side
obviously
to
part
side.
2 of my day vlog. It was my day off, but I worked. And yeah, I helped that dude. Now I'm just gonna play my old school kick-ass games that I bought and dab the
Damn it.
fuck out.
This set of obstacles is
It's
easiest
alright.
to traverse
You're
by
gonna
using
make
my
it.
sideways jumps.